Just a week ago, residents of Barangay 83C had little to laugh about. They made do with the little food and water left after Typhoon Haiyan ravaged Tacloban City. Debris blocked the road leading to the barangay. It took 5 days before relief goods could reach them.
Kanya-kanya, tapos halos kuha na lang, kopi, noodles, wala nang kanin. Yun ang problema namin pagkuha ng relief. Kailangan kasi ng sasakyan sa barangay. Di namin makuha dahil walang natira.
Neighbor helped neighbor, sharing canned goods and rice salvaged from the rubble.
Yung mga naaano na mga tindahan dito sa amin, na namahagi naman sila dito sa amin, kaya nakasurvive din.
On Wednesday, the national government turns over relief distribution to the local government. This is Joey Mercado. He's the last official standing in Barangay 83C. The others left because of security concerns.
Wala ma'am, may kanya-kanya namang buhay sila. Hindi natin malalaman kung anong nasa isip nila, kung bakit sila umalis. Nagsisipti kasi sila, baka, nagsisipti.
Nearly 2 weeks after Yolanda, Social Welfare and Development Secretary Dinky Soliman says all barangays in Tacloban received relief goods. Mercado confirms the flow of relief goods is stable. 2 to 3 kilos of rice, 3 sardine cans, and 3 packs of instant noodles for 2 days. In nearby Barangay 83A, Chairwoman Maria Rastiatan says it is not enough.
Per family, isa lang kasi ang 2 kilos lang. Paano yung malalaking pamilya kung mayroong maraming anak? So, hindi kakasya yung 2 kilos sa isang araw.
Residents are wondering, how long will it take for them to get back on their feet and how much help will government give them? Bea Cupin, Rappler, Tacloban.